All right, hi Kinder. Today we're going to be learning that the OR spelling pattern also makes the sound. But before we get into it, I want us to warm up our brains. Great, we're going to start off with rhyming. Rhyming are two words that sound the same at the end. Make sure your thumbs work again. We're going to be using them to show me whether words rhyme or whether they don't. Ready? Repeat the words after me. For, or. They do rhyme. Great job. Short, sharp. Say them with me. Short, sharp. Ooh, they don't rhyme. Short has a different ending than sharp. Fork, first. Those two words also do not rhyme. Fork has a different ending than first. All right, now we're going to try substituting. That's when I change a sound from my word. Today I will be changing the beginning sound. So my word is sure. My word is sure. I changed the sh to st. And my word is store. My word is store. My word is bore. My word is bore. I changed the b to k. And my word is core. My word is core. My word is door. My word is door. I changed the d to f. And my word is floor. My word is floor. All right, now we're going to be taking away sounds. That means my word is going to change. It's going to become smaller because I'm going to be taking away that ending sound. My word is barn. My word is barn. I take away and I'm left with bar. I'm left with bar. Next word. My word is start. My word is start. I take away t and I'm left with star. I'm left with star. Last word, my word is first. My word is first. I take away st and I'm left with fur. I'm left with fur. All right, great warm up. Now, I want you to help me think or help me remember the sounds that we have learned. What sound does Orville the stork make? Or. Orville the stork makes or. And the spelling pattern is O-R. What about our friend Birdie the bird? Do you remember what sound Birdie the bird makes? That's right. Birdie the bird makes the sound But we learned there were three spellings for this one. We learned there was ER, there was IR, and there was UR. Now you will notice that there are words that have the OR spelling, but will also make the sound. So let's look at our example here. Read it with me, please. W, or, k, work, or does this say w, k, work? If I read this with the or sound, this word sounds funny. I actually don't know what work is. But if I read it with the spelling, with the sound, this word makes sense to me. W, k, work. So sometimes the OR spelling together will make the sound. All right, let's read this next word. Remember, now whenever we see these two letters together, we're going to make the sound, like Birdie the bird. Read it with me. D, a, k, doc, t, doctor. doctor. My word is doctor. If I were to read it with the or sound, it would say doctor, and that's not a real word. Let's break apart some words that have the sound, but with our new OR spelling pattern. My word is world. My word is world. Ready? Take out your arm. Let's break it apart. World, world, world. W, l, d. World, world. My word is worth. My word is worth. Ready? Take out your arm. Worth, worth, worth. W, worth. My word is worst. My word is worst. Ready? Take out your arm. Worst, worst, worst. Worst. That's my word, worst. All right. Read this short story with me. Follow along with your finger and see how many times you hear the sound, but with the letter O and R. Ready? Taylor is sick. She needs to go see the doctor. Dad did not go to work, so he can take Taylor to the doctor. Do not worry, said Dad. You will be fine. I have been here before. Taylor did not like going to the doctor. She thinks it is the worst, but the doctor smiles and gives Taylor a gummy worm. You are a brave girl, he said. Now, Taylor thinks seeing a doctor is the best thing in the world. And here's Taylor enjoying his visit to the doctor. All right, so now we're going to play a little charts game. I need you to listen, take out your listening ears, listen carefully to the words because we're going to sort them. If we hear the sound, even if our word has OR, but it makes the sound, our word is going to go on the birdie side. So you can go ahead and make this chart too if you want to play at home. If I hear the OR sound, I'm going to put them on Orville's side. So birdie makes the sound. Orville makes the or sound. So let's start sorting our words. The first word that I'm going to do is going to be an example. My word is word. Word has the sound, so I'm going to put it on this side. What about short? Short has the or sound. Short goes on Orville's side. My next word is worm. Worm has the sound, so worm goes on Birdie's side. Corn. Corn has the or sound. Corn goes on Orville's side. Let's do two more. First. First has the sound. First goes on Birdie's side. And burn has the sound. Burn also goes on Birdie's side. So you see, I have a couple of words that have OR, but they still go on Birdie's side because they make the sound. They make the sound. And only on Orville's side, I have short and corn because they make the or sound. All right, Kinder, so take out your paper now. Take out your pencil. We're going to get ready for a quick spelling practice. Every time you hear the sound, we're not writing ER. We're not writing IR. We're not writing UR. We're writing OR. OR together also makes the sound. Just like Birdie the bird. We write OR. All right, let's get started. Number one, Number 1, the word is word. The word is word. Take out your arm, break it apart with me. Word, word, word. Word, word. My word is worst. My word is worst. That's sorry, I'm going to pause. Number 1 is still word. I'll give you some more time to write. Number 1 is word. All right, sorry about that. Now we can move to number 2. Number 2, the word is worst. The word is worst. Worst. Let's break that one apart together. Take out your arm. Worst, worst, worst. Worst, worst. For example, I had the worst headache yesterday. Worst. Go ahead, write that one. That one's number 2. Give you a couple of moments. Remember, if I'm hearing that sound, I'm going to be writing OR. OR also makes the sound. All right, ready? Number 3. Number 3, the word is work. The word is work. Ready? Take out your arm. Work, work, work. Work, work. For example, my dad goes to work every day. Work, work. Go ahead and finish up those answers. All right. Pause the video. If you're not finished yet, I'm going to show you so you can check your work. Number 1, the word was word. Number 2, the word was worst. Number 3, the word was work. Word, worst, work. Even though all these words have OR, they still make the sound. All right. Now, Kinder, I want you to write 3 sentences, one with every word on our spelling test. And for a challenge, write 2 more sentences with other words you can think of that have the sound, but the OR spelling. Like doctor, any of the words that we looked at in the video, any other words that maybe you might think of on your own. All right. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.